Tuesday, y'all. Good morning. Actually, it's afternoon. It's 5 minutes past 12. So I want you guys to spend the day with me. So let me just tell you what's on the agenda for today, this Tuesday afternoon. It's been cloudy and sunny. Like, it's in and out, and I really need the sun for today because we're heading to the laundromat to wash. It's been raining for quite some time. I had planned to wash yesterday, Monday. The rain, like, it was so cloudy. Today, like I said, it's in and out. So the best bet is a laundromat. I was hoping to just wash alone and then come and hang up the stuff them on the line, but it's like bipolar right now. So so we're gonna go to the laundromat, wash. After that, we gotta go to the grocery store to get some stuff, 2 items. But more than likely, I'm going to take up 2 items. So that's what we have on the agenda for today. So let's spend the day with me and see what's going on. By the way, I am working too. So my laptop is here with the girl. So we'll be washing and working at the people laundromat. The one that I'm going to, though, it don't have no AC in it. And I feel like, say, we should I go on next one. Well, I have AC because right now I'm really hot. Like, I'm burning up and I'm just leaving my house. I'm still at my house. So what is gonna happen? I don't know. But let me head out of here. Let me turn on the AC because I'm really burning up right now. I'm just gonna have to work with it. The one that I'm going at, it's close to where I live. And the supermarket is just down the road where I'll go Lee's supermarket. So it's just like, let me just stay within the proximity because it's after 12. I'm probably not going to go until the next 3 hours. I have like 3 loads, I think, of washing to do. And I don't know how, at the first time I go down here, I'm going to know how, is it the first? No, it's not the first time I'm going here. But I don't know how long the stuff is going to take, right? So yeah, I don't want to go too far where we're in a traffic when school over, and I just don't want that type of energy right now to in a traffic or to be in a traffic area. So I'm just sticking close to where I live. Let's go to the laundromat, people.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Crave when you're away, nights are sleepless. Do we need space? Yeah, maybe a break. Boy, you're my weakness. Give and we take the love that we make.
So, finished with laundry, and so surprising, when my stuff was washing, I saw one of my family members. She's going to a bridal place to try on some dresses. Homegirl is getting married. Woo woo. So yeah, so I saw her, and then I just went up there and helped her try on some dress, take some pictures and videos. So yeah, that's why I was in the bridal store. But yeah, ooh, marriage is just so beautiful, so beautiful. Anyways, we're at the supermarket and it's time to head in there and grab up my few stuff. I am starving. It's 2 p.m. after 2 o'clock, so Gonna get probably get some lunch because I do sell lunch inside, and grab. I need fish, and what do I need? I think I only need fish. Oh, and some sanitary stuff. So that's what I'm heading in the supermarket for. So let's go. So I'm outside hanging up the stuff on the line. Like, I knew the sky was cloudy. Why didn't I just dry at the laundromat? I only washed. I should have just did both, wash and dry. Like, I literally would be coming home just folding up my stuff. Like, don't ask me why I did that. Don't ask me why. All right, we are home. I am extremely tired. The clothes are on the line. It's not raining as yet, but it's still overcast. Like, the sun is trying to come in, come out. It's like they're both fighting. The clouds and the sun, they are fighting. I mean, come on, sun, just let my stuff them dry. I don't want to leave them just to sleep. I don't want to leave them on the line overnight. I don't normally do that. I guess for many reasons. One, I'm in a complex, a triplex as you call it. So, you know, there are other units and everybody uses a line, which I think most of them use a line. Anyways, you see, this is sweating. I'm gonna go back to work. I got food from the supermarket from Lee's, so I'm gonna have that right now while thingy. By the way, at the laundromat today, y'all, like, there is, so when you go to places, sometimes you realize there's so many big business ideas that you can come up with. Because when I went in there, they were washing other people's clothes. Okay, I saw a man undies, but was it an undie? I think it was. Don't quote me on that. But regardless of the fact, people are paying people to wash their clothes, wash and dry their clothes, pressing. There were two ladies in there pressing. No laundromat. I'm gonna look up that business idea, because when I buy my machine from a place, I'm gonna carry on to, you know, run to service with laundromat with washing only. Well, I could do wash and dry. Well, it depends on the day if it's raining or not. So I would probably need a wash and dry to do that. Well, I was thinking to get both a wash and a dryer. So sometimes if I don't want to go outside to hang it on the line looking like this, drenched in sweat, then I wouldn't have, right? So that's what I'm thinking, to get a washer and a dryer. And why not, if I can do that on the side? But so I'm gonna look it up. But as really as a pressing, I do not like pressing. Get me a steamer, and that's that. But laundromats are a good idea. People are just paying people to make their life easier. So anybody there, you got the money to start a laundromat, buy a 5 machine and start, okay? Anyways, we're gonna eat. We're hungry. And see, after 3 o'clock, we only had cereal this morning, so I'm still sweating. Oh, I can't wait to start up my living room, because once I start up this area by my couch, I'm gonna get a nice tower fan. Well, the AC is, I only have AC in my room, and then once I turn on the AC, I could feel it around here, but I don't have to lock this kitchen window. So yeah, I just can't wait to fix up my place, my couch. Even though I'm thinking that I really want to move. I mean, it's not for like any bad reason. It's probably just, I guess I want a bigger space. I think the living area is very tiny. Wish I knew that initially, but I can make it work. I am going to make it work because we're not moving this year. It's too much work, too much money, too much chaos. Yeah, I can't take this setting anymore. I'm gonna turn on my air, cool down, eat, finish working, and I'll catch you guys later once I finish working. We're gonna catch up because this is a day vlog, so this vlog is ending today no matter what we got.
I keep trying for you. I gave you all the love I got. I gave you more than I could give. Gave you love. I gave you all that I have inside. You took my love. You took my love. Call me when you need some. Call me when you need. Didn't I tell you what I believe? Did somebody say that a love like that won't last? Didn't I give you all that I got to give, baby? I gave you all the love I got. I gave you more than I could give. Gave you